Hello everybody, welcome back to Buggy's RC, welcome back to the channel. I hope we're all good people. Right, who saw my video yesterday of the Synchro 2? And I was on about handling issues that I'm having with this buggy, mainly in the wet weather though, so that's understandable. But then, at the end, we had smoke coming off this thing that's in my hand, which I'll show you in a second. But right, we're going to try and fix this buggy in this video and take it back out and I'm just sort of testing it at the minute. It's quite a new one to me. I've not had it long. Third time out of it today it'll be. So I was starting to like it yesterday and then we had issues. But anyway, let's roll the video. So, I got things a little bit wrong yesterday. I wasn't sure if this had a slipper clutch system or it had a centre diff. And I thought it had a centre diff, so I apologise, I was totally wrong. I did mention a slipper clutch though, because it sounded like it was slipping. But yeah, going back to the handling issue on this buggy, it's a proper driver-focused buggy. You really have to, be very careful on the throttle, get it moving, feather it down a bit, and then give it a bit more trigger and gone. I was getting nice straight lines out of this yesterday, and the thing is just so chunky all over it. Value for money right here, people. But yeah, so in today's video, we are going to have a look at what happened with this. This is your slipper clutch. So it is a slipper clutch. Right. The grub screw there. Grub screw on that side. It looks like you have to undo those two. And then, is that the right? There we go. And then it looks like you need a special tool, to be fair, on that. Focus. It looks like you need a special tool there, but we're just going to grab it with some grips, and then you should be able to wind that down. Which side did I just undo? I don't know. But anyway, I am going to tighten up this slipper clutch, and then we're going to go out, and we're going to retest, because I just want to. I just want to, people. But yeah, that's your centre drive. That thing. To remove one centre drive, you've got 4 screws underneath, 1, 2, 3, 4, so your motor mounts. Get them out of the way. And then you've just got these cap things. There's about 8 screws or so to take out. Ooh, these things are good. Reliable. Hey, I tell you what, they've upped and come, don't they? Upped and come. I tell you what, they're doing well, these. That's nice. Take it. Abeo, synchro, abeo. It's back in the game, peeps. It's fixed. I took my own ankles out, right? Right. Let's do a little bit of skate parking with this beast. This is so back end happy, this buggy, but I kind of like it. Oh, she kicks out, crew. Let's try and get used to it a little bit, and then we'll do some sends. Definitely a lot better in the drier weather. Oh, that back end's an happy one. Yeah, that's loads better now though, isn't it? Hey, up, oh, that landed well, that. Ooh, she's a jumper. She's a jumper. Hey, nice. Looks like it's going to jump really flat, this. Should we find out? It does, yeah. It's going to be a nice jumper. Oh! Yeah, it jumps well. Air control's a bit... Oops. Uh-oh, air control's a bit weird. We've been rear wheel drive. We've totally lost it now. Come on, buggy. Oh, no. Oh, that was bad. Yeah, it's a bit... Let me just try that again. So when you blip it, it's not really... I mean, it jumps level, but it's not really, like, got good air control. If that makes sense. Does that make sense? I don't know. Somehow. Just, let's try again. Oh, yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. Yeah, she levels out. Yeah, it's decent. I'm happy. I is happy, I is having fun. Oh! Oh! Synchro. Oh, that's happened. Have a nice chilled little play then, isn't it? Oh, that's nasty, that landing on that one. Oh! Yeah, should we go for some bigger sends? I reckon so, don't you? Let's do it. Oh! Yeah, getting the hang of it now. Right, let's do some bigger ones off there. Righty then. Let's go for a bigger send. I love this ramp. There's Paul down there, beautiful Paul. Another RC head. Oh! He's backflipped. Oh! 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 Well, yeah, that was good. Right, I'm going to try drop it in here, off there, and try and get it on that red roof there. Wish me luck. I don't know. Oh no, miles off. Oh, oh! Oops, is it still with us? Are you still alive? Oh, of course it is. Loving it. Loving it, people. Paul's had problems with his Abeo. Is it VSE or SSE or something? I sold him it, I can't remember what it is. Let's go again. Oh, oh no, it didn't allow us. Oh, no, come back, come back. Oh, it didn't, kicked out, didn't it? Here you go. Right, let's try again. Come on, we've got to get on that roof. Oh no, oh no. Oh, I'll give up with that. It's all good, people. It's doing well so far, RC heads. Oh, that was more of like a grind than anything else. That did not work out. Yeah, it's doing well. We'll do a couple more sends in a minute. We've got some chassis scrapage. Nice. That's bedded in now, isn't it? Right, that, oh, I was just about to say, that ramp here, if you go off it, it comes back on itself. We'll try it though, just for a laugh. Is that Saswash? This washy buckle, what is it? Saswa, the, oh, anyway, right. Let's try this ramp. Damage report so far. Oh, get out the light. Absolutely nothing. So, oh, wasp, is that a waspy thing? Oh no, don't go for me. Oh, always go for me, wasps. They don't like me, wasps. You'll see me in many videos running away from wasps. But yeah, no damage so far. This could get nasty. Oh, I knew it was going to do that. Oh, see what I mean? It does come back on itself a little bit. I think it's back on its wheels though, crew. It is. It's alright, look. It's alright. The slipper seems to be a lot better now. Oh, total nosedive. Oh! The slipper's a lot better now. We've cured it. Oh! You know what? I said it's a good basher. They are good bashers. I remember my Synchro 4, it just took it so well, to be fair to it. A bent steering rack and a slightly bent chassis is nothing, is it? Just so far, so good. Oh, you just can't see it landing, can we? Wow. Well, send it. Send it. Send it. Send it. Let's get some move on that little Relalo.
It takes a week to tame out.
Tiny little wheels on it, isn't it? So that what? Moves. I reckon that's faster than my Vendetta. It's like the Vendetta, isn't it, a bit? It's but smaller. Proper speed runner, isn't it? I like it. Ben out!
smoky. Woohoo.
Oh, smell that.
This is getting more brave with that with Lalo. Gonna get sent in a minute. Oh. Oh, nasty, nasty. Well, we'll just chill out here and have a bash then, innit, mate? Oh no. Oh, why? Why? Get on your wheels, you thing. You. Just got comfy then, I had to get up and go and get it. I like this. I'm liking this now. I wish I didn't take it out in the wet now the first time I went out with it, because I was nearly like put off, but I was wrong. Decent buggy in the dry. I suppose most RCs are going to struggle in wet weather, aren't they? Oh, it was a bit like a sidewinder mission, that was. Yeah, I like it, I'm happy.
Oh, you're turning it the way opposite way to what you want it to go.
Sweet. Ace. Let's go. Watch out. Woo. Oh, nice. Stuck in the grass. Well, proof's in the pudding, people. I don't speak no crap. His battery's just flown out. I don't speak crap, you know, this buggy is decent. I said it could do bashing, didn't I? And that slipper clutch thing, that's nothing. Nothing to worry about. Look at that straight line, and it's gone in the ditch. Oh no, how am I going to get that out? This is all spiky bushes and stuff, and we've been here before though, haven't we, of course. Oh, how am I going to get that out? Oh, these are spiky, these bushes, like bad. Oh. Right, I'm going to have to leave the camera on because you want to see me get down here, in the ditch, and try and grab this. All right, I'm getting spikes, get off. Give me it. I've got a thorn in my finger. I've got a thorn in my finger. Right, I've got the buggy, but I can't get me out. I'm spiked, I'm caught on there. Help, yeah. Buggies are sort of out. Oh God. Right, I've got to get out. That 8 peaks, I've got thorns all in the back of my ankles and everything. I'm injured. Right, go again. Oh, still a little bit kicky when you initial set off, but that's rear wheel drive things for you, isn't it? And oh, we're back in there again, not quite as bad this time. It's doing well. Take it down there. Excuse me a moment. It's actually going quite fast. It's got to be doing about 40. Originally I thought it was only doing about 30, but it's got to be 40 miles an hour, that. Back in there again. Keep doing them until we break it. I don't think we're going to break it though. Still going strong. Yeah, it's my advice when you get this new, just tighten that slipper clutch up, get some thread locker on it. Oh! 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 It's loving it. Loving it. Any damage? Nope, no damage. Nice grind. Well, peeps, what can I say? £260 here in the UK for this. And I'm happy. Absolute bargain. Definitely a good competitor to the Typhon 3S. I think these would be good speed runners as well. Well, it's a 4-wheel drive mod. It's quite a heavy buggy. It's got a lot of weight to it. So I think they'd be good for really gearing up. Maybe not so much this one, would it have been rear wheel drive, but definitely the 4-wheel drive one. But who knows? It might do all right, even at 2-wheel drive. Oh, air control's still decent enough. I think I said that before, but yeah. Another one bites the dust. Oh, that was another one bites the dust. Nearly, wasn't it? Relalo nearly had it. Well, yeah, it's another video done, and oh, bad landing. Like I say, proof's in the pudding. You can make your own minds up what you think of this thing, but I got it a little bit wrong at first, and now I am extremely happy with it. Oh, I think we've just done the steering servo to finalise the video. Which is what we wanted. Oh no, servo's alright, it's just something. Yeah, we just servo save all the steering rack again. Have we bent out or something? The bumper's coming off a little bit, but there you go. It's a beast. See you soon on the next one, people. Bye bye. Take care. Oh, the bottom of the shock cup's out, but there's nothing. It's scraped up on the bottom. Have we bent the chassis? Maybe slightly, but nothing bad. Beast! Synchro 2. Well worth the money. I'll see you soon. Bye. Just before I do disappear, I always do this at the end, don't I? But so what's happening is it's the steering rack again that's got bent, and the servo saver's suffered a little bit, but it's just not turning over that way very well. But it's exactly the same. Like I say, I tell no lies, me. My last one, my Synchro 4, was exactly the same. It's just a steering rack, causes the wheels to toe out a little bit. Well, that's all that happens to these really, and a bent chassis, the rest of it. It's fairly bulletproof, people. So. Right, now I'm definitely off. See you later.